Hello everyone! For a quick visa and immigration update, up to 15,000 US security bond for non-immigrant visa holders. Yes, it is true. Tama po kayo. Starting August 2025, the Department of Homeland Security under the second administration Trump, they are requiring about 15,000 or rather 5,000 up to 15,000 US dollar as a security bond. Okay, starting last night, I'm receiving a lot of messages from our friends and from our client if it's true that they are required to put a bond about $15,000. Linawin muna natin para saan ba ito. Of course, this is one of the pilot program of the administration Trump to protect their border for all non-immigrant visa, particularly tourists, that to secure that after they visited United States for the short period of time, they have to return to their home country. Good news is, Philippines is not included yet. Only Malawi and Zambia are the countries who are required to put a ban. So again, Philippines is not included yet. Yan po ang malinaw at yan po ang good news. However, the US law or the US government policies always change. Kaya sa mga ka-visa nating planong mag-apply ng non-immigrant visa sa Amerika, I believe this is the right time for you to apply. So stay tuned. Immigrant Visa Center or inyong ka-visang ISA will give you update. Be updated before you apply. Call, email, follow IVC for more visa update. Ito ang inyong ka-visang Miss Isa nagsasabing, basta visa, itanong nyo kay Isa.